Hey folks, how you doing? It is Unit 3. This is just a little overview of what's expected for the week for image editing applications. Again, you'll find this video right underneath the instructions if you're viewing it. I have not uploaded it yet, but if you're viewing it, you will have found it already. Start with your instructions. This week we're going to be delineating photography file types, recognizing cloud file sharing applications, surveying Dropbox's sharing feature, and saving and sharing photographs, similar to what we did last week. You'll start by choosing an image, and I believe you do some nice little adjustments in the Pixlr application, which looks like so. Of course, you want to do the free part, so you can just scroll down here and then find it in the Pixlr Express or the Pixlr editor. You should not have to pay for anything. That is not required in this course. Just a little heads up on that. Backing up, back over here, you can look at your instructions and print this out, do step by step. You want to go ahead and choose or shoot a photo that you like and then open it in Pixlr. You're going to do several little steps in Pixlr. You're going to save them as different file types and then share them in the Dropbox file sharing app. Many of you know what that is already, so it might be easy. Some of you might not like the little step-by-steps that we're doing. Of course, it's a little bit of dirty work creating new free accounts and that kind of stuff, but we really want to survey what works out best. So once you do those steps, obviously you find them here, then you can go to Pixlr, then to Dropbox, and then you'll be sharing those things in the forum. And then a little bit extra on a side note, you really want to look at the PowerPoint review each week that we provide. Takes a moment to open up here. File types and file sharing. Each week, there's several things that you want to work on, and it gives you a background. And these are the types of things that you will be quizzed on occasionally. So if you're looking for where to go to study for quizzes, that would be it in the PowerPoints. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great Unit 3, and I'll see you in next week's virtual video.